Oh, good afternoon. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nexo Adventure, and today I'm in my beautiful village right here in the top of mountain, guys. So guys, you know what we are going to do today? You can follow my mom. Yeah, you know what we are going to do today? We are just going to harvest maize. This is like a harvesting maize harvesting season, and then sorghum and maize. So, and that's what we are going to do, guys. So come with me as I'm going to harvest some maize, guys. Where is that? Yeah, Ubaniozi. Who's recording? Yeah, those are like average. Yeah. As you can see right now, I have already arrived in the farm, maize farm. So what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to check the bigger one and the one with like black hair, because the one with black hair are the one who are ready to harvest. Marika, yes? Do you need my support?
I'm good, I'm good.
You're good?
Yes.
Okay. So you see, guys, this is the one that I got, and if you can check, this is really good. You can see, guys. So this is really ready to harvest, but I'm gonna roast it. I love the roasted one. Mirongo irindwi n'atanu. Ikigori kimwe ni mirongo irindwi n'atanu. Mirongo irindwi.
Mirongo irindwi.
Yeah.
Mirongo irindwi n'atanu.
Yeah.
That is 15 shillings, Kenyan shillings in dollars.
Mbese undi baza Francine. Abantu babigurisha. Yazi muri he inzira mu bigori.
Is this what you're going to have for lunch?
Ndibaza ubu abantu babigurisha bo bajya kubyota ku muhanda bakoreye bacuruza kuranga. Ngoro wabunguka 25. Mafaranga ari make. Ukuba kujya n'urukorera inyungu bagatangira gucuruza ibigori bya. Ngaho ibigori za n'abashyizeho amakara. Ushyizeho amakara yabashyizemo.
Batabishyiraho.
Ntabwo bacyoka bruschetta.
Kereka ingurube. Nazo. Kereka ingurube.
Ngo amatungo ngo aragize ngo ararwaye. Ese ikibazo turamenya turi gute kugira ngo tumenye ko byuzakira niki. Ahubwo se ubu ntibyuzuye. Ma tugende turebe.
Bya bindi wabisize mu rugo nako nabisize ruguru hari byo yashizemo farasi.
Hari biri hari haruguru ku.
Wagiye.
Okay, so guys, we are still harvesting. We are still harvesting actually. And this is some bananas, you can see that. This is bananas. So there is like a mixed land. You find everything. This is like $1.50.
Actually, guys, the reason as to why we are buying is because Nexo's corn is not ready yet, so we have to buy from the neighbor. So this is like $1.50 for all this.
Yeah.
I don't know if I should be getting maize from here and sell them in Kenya. Because $150 Kenyan shillings.
Yeah.
Okay, do as if you're putting them on my back.
Okay.
On my head, actually.
Okay.
So guys, we are done. Now let's go prepare maize, and I'll show you what we'll prepare maize with.
Yeah.
Where did we come from?
So you pass by here.
Malik Squad, in case you're watching this video at Nexo's Adventure, please make sure you subscribe. Support this village boy. Please subscribe to his channel. In case you're watching this video and you're Malik Squad, please subscribe. Yes.
Okay, so guys, as you can see right now, I'm just coming from the farm. It was just not far, like maybe 20 minutes walk. And I've got my sack of maize on my head, so we are just going to prepare them. Me, I love the roasted one, but we're gonna take some part and then roast them. Okay, see you guys when I'm enjoying my maize.
Then so they came back here later. That the whole time this is
You can have old house. This is a new house. You can have old house. Now, young. Guys, this is what I'm going to do. This is like maize, and I'm going to roast it, and this is the best way to roast it instead of using firewood, because in the village, once you are using like so much firewood, you are cutting trees. So it's better to use this one.
yeah.
And it's one of the best things I always do when I just came to my village. And just let's go.
Wow. So how about turning? Like how do you?
You do like once this one is finished, you do round.
And then you add.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, have you ever seen this kind of method? Like, have you ever seen this? Because this is my first time seeing.
It's your first time?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Me, I know like the Jiko one and the Meko one, the 3 stones.
Shaka
These
gati.
ones, no. And it's getting hot. I'll use that one.
Yeah.
Kung na ako chimit pa ma.
Guys, what if you, in case you're wondering what we are doing, we are roasting maize.
We are roasting maize just in case you don't know what we are doing.
We are roasting maize.
The fire.
It's hot.
Hey, can you take like a picture of me? We're gonna use it as like
Kasaro sinzi ahantu yanyarukiye. Ndekere se cyangwa ikomeze? Ndekere.
komeza.
Karibu keuzo.
Ubundi rero bari gushyiraho byinshi.
Godani, uri mu bitaka ngo nagasara. Ubwo urumva nta soni ufite. Ibyo bitaki bivuye mu biki? ndagukubita ngo bamujya kwa marene
Hot, guys. It's very, very
Right,
hot.
really hot. And again, another thing that you need to know, guys, is this is not good for the ozone layer. Yeah, I know. Aha, ko numva ntagiye kugira inyota.
ubwo se yari yakubabura
Muzare turi dushogoshogo.
nk'ibyo ngibyo ibyo ngibyo mwabimazeho ibishishwa na bitangiye gusa nk'ibishirira
no kwihagarika hasi umuntu ujya kwihagarika hasi akinyarira
Uze kurira w'igihindure.
ndeba se wagira ngo biracya shyiraho rimwe
Shiraho iyindi round.
bishyireho nibyo bihisha ibigori aregura uri gutuma bita bibinura
Umuriro uri hano nyagasa.
simbukira ku ipantaro gashya yongera yonyine
Umuriro ni ukwatsa.
ngo batiri